greatness takes years. In '65, Ford built an LTD quieter than a Rolls-Royce. In '66, one quieter than many of Europe's finest cars. In '67, a car strong enough to ride off an Olympic ski jump and still stayed quiet. Now the '68 Ford, a great road car. Quiet, strong, beautiful. Disappearing headlights open on LTD, rugged from roofline to road. Inside, pure comfort, wide and deep. All the fine touches of wood grain detail. Here's beauty built to stand the test of time. XL Fastback. An all-new interior. Deep bucket seats. And a console with Ford's man-size shift. In every windswept line, XL Fastback is built to last. And stay quiet about it. Ford 1968. Quiet, strong, beautiful. A great road car. Ford has a better idea.
Hi, I'm David. This is my story on how I traveled across the country to pick up one of my dream cars and the the journey and the stops we made along the way. Hope you enjoy. All of the clips that you're seeing in this video are from April of 2020, so right when the pandemic was hitting. And since then, in the last few years, I've purchased 2 more Galaxies, like the black one you saw in the intro clip, and a parts car. And I may do future videos on those if I find the time or interest to do so. But in the meantime, enjoy this journey to Georgia that my dad and I took, where we drove from the Cleveland area of Ohio all the way down to Georgia and back to get this car. It was such a great adventure, and I hope that you enjoy all these clips that we got and little time lapses I took. Just got back. Got to our hotel in Tennessee. We just had a fantastic lunch, breakfast. We're figuring out how to tow a 4,000-pound car on a tiny little trailer from U-Haul when it doesn't let you. And we are gonna leave at 6 a.m. It is currently, what time is it?
2:47.
2:47 in the morning. We were about 4 hours of sleep. Four and a half. And it's gonna be fun. Gonna be fun. All right, so it's 7:13. We're waking up from 3 hours of sleep. It's a beautiful day outside, as you can see. And so we're going to pick up the trailer, right? And then we are going to go get the car. Someone wanted their coffee. You wanted his coffee cup. Second refill. How much does it cost?
Who's got an old gas pump?
Oh, cool. And this is the moment where I first saw the car for the first time in person. I was so excited, and I don't know if my excitement goes through on camera, but it was such a surreal moment.
You know, but I tell these guys that come and look at it, I've had about 3 guys come over.
Yeah.
And I think for $1,250,
Oh yeah, no, this is a steal.
you're not going to lose a whole lot. No.
Yeah, he's been scouring
Oh yeah.
Facebook Marketplace for years. good. You're good. Straight up. No, the other way. Looking good.
Tell me which way to turn, passenger or driver.
You're good. Oh, you know what? I think I need to put those straps. Oh, they just go to the side, I guess? All right, hang on.
Okay.
I think that's good. How was your first ride in your new car? I can flip that down too.
What?
This fender flips down.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. Now you can open the door. It fits.
Jeez, we did it.
Woo!
And here we are driving home with my brand new car. Well, new to me, I guess. Man, it was just such a cool experience just driving home with this thing following behind us.
Fix the strap. She's looking good. 38 bucks. What is this? Our third fuel stop?
Total?
Yeah, total.
It's our
Fourth. All right. Well, how many hours? I think 7.5 or so. Get home at 11:30.
Yeah, 5, about 6 more hours.
6 more hours. Sounds good.
And I just want to take a moment to say that anybody can do this. I paid $1,250 for this car. Granted, it's not perfect. It needs work. It doesn't have a title. However, it just shows that, with a little determination and, just the passion and love for it, anyone can get their feet wet with a classic car or owning it or going on a fun adventure with, by yourself or with someone else or a friend, a relative, a parent. Just take the time and, get out there. Look on Facebook Marketplace, spend the time, and, have fun.
Last gas fill of the night. Speedway all day. Woo.
We racked up some points.
Yeah, we're getting those points. Cheap gas. Oh boy, oh boy. It's a little chilly outside. I'm gonna go. We'll get some food. Get a snack or something.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
We got snacks in the car.
Sun chips
You
and
don't want
tie
to
those.
spend money.
Pulls of brisk iced tea. That's how we do it.
The reason it went from night to day in this clip is because we just parked the van with the trailer with the car in the street because we were both exhausted from driving all day. So this is the next morning.
Beautiful. Ooh. I almost just died on that.
And that about sums up the video. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed any of it all, please comment, like, subscribe, all those fun things. I just, I wanted to share my journey and all the experience that I had with my dad. He had a great time, I had a great time. I'm so glad I've done it, and I have done it multiple times since this video, or since all those recordings, and I wouldn't have changed anything in the world. Yeah, it was just a great time, and just want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.